Okay, this is a new experience for me, y'all. I'm at Midway Airport at Hudson Nonstop. They got this thing where you put your card in here, you shop, and then you just walk out. And you know why? Because it charges you. These sensors pick up. So at first I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm going to try it. And I'm going to see what happens. Okay, so insert credit card. Get ready. Get set. Remove card and go. Oh my God. So it let me in. And now all I do is shop. And it's going to charge my card. Oh my gosh. And they said they've been doing this for about 3 years. So I'm gonna come back after I figure out what I'm gonna buy and let you know how I'm gonna come back when I walk out.
The video you just watched. This will all lead to the MOTB. That's in Revelation 13:16 is the RFID microchip, and the Lord said you better not accept it. Thank for watching. All praise to Yahweh Bahasham, Yahweh Shai Shalom.